NDI Bridge is a tool that lets you connect multiple NDI sources and destinations over wide area networks from one city to another, or even globally. What does it mean to embed NDI Bridge into a Telycam PTZ camera? Well, normally, both the host side and join side requires a separate PC running NDI Bridge software under NDI tools. But with Telycam's native integration, our cameras can act as a join side endpoint directly, no external computer required. That means simpler setup, fewer devices, and faster deployment for your remote production. Now let's see how to set it up on both ends. First, on the host side, open the NDI tools and go to NDI Bridge on your production PC. Select the host tab, choose the NDI group you want to share, provide a unique bridge name. Type in your public IP address, which can be obtained from your internet service provider. Configure port forwarding on your router for the NDI Bridge port. The default is 5990. Type in your desired encryption key. Click Start to activate the host's connection. Share the host information with the remote users who need to join or connect. Click the Copy button to copy the public IP address, port number, and encryption key. Moving on to the join side, in our case, the Telycam PTZ camera. First, let's access the camera's web UI, go to the NDI Bridge, paste the host IP address, port number, and encryption key, and then click Save. Once connected, you should see the shared NDI sources from the host on the remote network. And also, the host side can use NDI Studio Monitor or other NDI tools to view and use the remote sources. Even better, you can control the camera's pan, tilt, and zoom, and even set and call presets on your Telycam PTZ cameras remotely. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe and take care, and see you in the next one.